Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by collecting the core parts and making the first electrical connections. Strip wires, identify LED polarity, and calculate the resistor so current stays safe. This prevents burnout. Once you solder the resistor to the LED positive lead, make a neat connection to the switch. Make sure to test with the power source briefly before securing anything, because a quick test verifies polarity, resistor value, and that the LED lights as expected. Next, focus on the middle steps that shape light quality and durability. You mount the LED so it points into the diffuser, because spacing and alignment change brightness and evenness. Once done, attach the diffuser a short distance from the LED for soft spread rather than hot spots. Make sure to secure the battery pack and switch inside the enclosure with hot glue, and route wires so they won't chafe when you close the case. Neat wiring prevents short circuits and rattles. Finally, you complete assembly and run a full functional check to confirm brightness, heat, and switch reliability. Once you power it for 15 to 30 minutes, observe for overheating and steady light output, because thermal behavior affects lifespan. If things go wrong, test the battery voltage and remeasure current. A dim LED often means low battery or incorrect resistor. Make sure to reflow any cold solder joints and replace faulty parts, and then close the enclosure with the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.